green line, the green holes are digital live holes. As I have mentioned before, number of holes decreased from the last year. 5, 6, 7 and 8 going to take place in digital live. It will cover the navigation, digital imaging, digital entertainment, hardware and peripherals for digital live, and mobile communication and consumer electronics. What does it mean? Basically, the mobile telecom operators and their applications and digital imaging systems, TV sets are going to take place in this area. In this thematic section, there will be a job and career thematic area, and eHealth thematic area, which is new this time in the fair. Job and career, again, it is a request came from the visitors and participants. Those people who would like to have changed their job in the IT sector or in another sector would like to have these companies located in the fair, so they will give their CVs over there and to look for a new job. And many IT companies and ICT companies also requesting new employees through this, from this environment, because at least 150,000 people are visiting this area, and most of them, quite a number of them, coming from ICT sector. So it's a job opportunity. I know by heart that Romania has great experience in health sector, e-health sector. We have specialists and important people in the country. E-health and Tele-Health subject of the fair came from the experience in CeBIT Hannover. Those people who have already visited CeBIT Hannover may notice that since last 3 years, they are continuously developing this section in CeBIT Hannover, eHealth and Tele-Health. The same request came from the market to us to create this area, especially to show the people tomorrow's hospital solutions, and also discuss the public e-health issues and e-health policies of the government, and more than this, to promote the services and systems for the individuals. As you know, different kind of monitors at this moment available in the market. People are carrying like their watches in their hand, and this information continuously transferring to a station, then to the doctors and the hospitals. These are the popular applications becoming in Turkey, very popular applications becoming in Turkey. There are companies now trying to give these services to the healthy people, and also some other people who are looking after their health, or there is a necessity to look after their health, like chronic cardiological diseases. These applications are going to take place, and they are going to demonstrate to the public if they have such a devices in their hand or in their body, how the system going to automatically transfer their information to the hospitals, and how it is going to be evaluated, and how it's going to be transmitted to them again, to call them to doctors or to go them to the hospitals. From the 31st of September, 34th of September, 31st of September, Turkish government going to request data from the government hospitals in a specific e-health format. So they are going to be connected to a central mechanism, and from the 1st of January 2009, all private hospitals going to be connected to the e-health system of Turkey. So therefore, there are quite a number of hospitals requiring new solutions to fit to this mechanism, and great demands from the private hospitals, especially to increase the comfort of their patients, especially from the private hospitals. There are only in Istanbul 110 private hospitals who are willing to transform their system to digital hospitals and looking for solutions. Therefore, again, we are calling companies who have solutions in eHealth and Tele-Health to CeBIT Bilisim Eurasia. Hall 10, part of Hall 9 and Hall 10 going to be telecommunication and home electronic sections. Now, it looks to us that telecommunication and home electronic part of the fair going to be smaller and smaller, and telecom section going to integrate into the business world section, and fair in the future, home electronics going to remove to the shops in the street, because you can have 365 days in the market to see home electronics items, and only the trends going to be seen in the fairs from now on. This is our future expectations. Therefore, these areas are shrinking in the fair ground.